What can you do? What can you do?
Can you jump?
I can jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. I can jump. Can you run?
I can run.
Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. I can run. What can you do? What can you do?
Can you swim?
I can swim. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. I can swim. Can you hop?
I can hop.
Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. I can hop. What can you do? What can you do?
Can you stomp your feet?
I can stomp my feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp. I can stomp my feet. Can you turn around?
I can turn around.
Turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. Turn, turn, turn. I can turn around.
Can, can't, can, can't. The fish can swim. The fish can swim. The fish can't walk. The fish can't walk. The elephant can walk. The elephant can walk. The elephant can't fly. The elephant can't fly. The monkey can climb. The monkey can climb. The monkey can sing. The monkey can sing. The rabbit can jump. The rabbit can jump. The rabbit can't sing. The rabbit can't sing. The snake can crawl. The snake can crawl. The snake can't walk. The snake can't walk. I can jump. I can hop. I can run. I can't fly. I can't swim. I can run. I can't drive the car. Good morning, girls. We have invitation for swimming party. Wow! But I can't swim. Oh, and you, Gigi, can you swim? Yes, I can, Emily. And you? Yeah, sure, I can. Let's go. But I'm so sad. I can't swim, Emily. Don't worry, Mimi. Let's sit here and enjoy the pool. Emily, hello. Come here. Can you dance? No, Gigi, I can't dance. Emily, come and try. It's so easy. But I can't, Gigi. I can't dance. Come, Emily. Let's have fun. Okay, Gigi. I will try. Wow, Emily. You can drive the car. Yes, Gigi, I can drive the car. And what about you? Can you drive the car? No, I can't drive the car. It's so easy, Gigi. You need some lessons to learn how to drive the car. Emily, I feel so hungry. Can we eat anything? Yes, of course, you can. Let's go to the kitchen and see. Gigi, I will cook for you a delicious food. Wow! Emily, can you cook? Yes, I can. Okay, Emily. What you can cook? Okay, I can cook pizza for you. What's your opinion? Wow, delicious. I like pizza. Let's start making our pizza. Can I help you, Emily? Yes, sure, you can. Can you give me the oil? Yes, of course. Here you are. This is the oil. Thank you, Gigi. And now, can you wash the vegetables, please? Okay, yes, I can. Thank you, Gigi. And now, the pizza is ready. Wow, delicious. Thank you, Emily. Can you sing, Gigi? Yeah, sure I can. I take classes to learn how to sing. Wow. And what about you, Emily? Can you sing? No, I can't. It's so easy. Listen. La 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 la. La 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 la. It's funny. Review. The word can meaning is to be able to do something. But the word can't meaning is to be not able to do something. Like, I can't stand. I want to sleep. I can run. I can't drive the car. But my daddy can drive the car. I can play football. I can't swim. I can't fly. Mommy can cook. I can ride a bike. But he can't ride a bike. The bird can fly. But the elephant can't fly.